boys and girls. So last week we learned what a digraph was, correct? And we're going to continue with digraphs this week. So I have a new one for you, and we're going to start learning that one in just a couple of minutes. Alright, so I'm going to give you some words, and I want you to repeat after me after I write them, okay? So pay attention right here on the paper. Our first word is shut. S-H-U-T. Shut. Our next word is shin. And our last word is shop. Shut, shin, shop. Put your finger on your think tanker, and I want you to think, what is the same in all three words? They all three have what letters? They all start with an S, and they all have an H. Do they all have a U? No, this one doesn't have U's. What about this? A T? Nope, the rest don't have T's. So the first two letters are the same in each word. S and H. S and H. Now, what sound do you hear when I say the words shut, shin, shop? What's the first sound you hear? Say it louder. Shh. Like you're saying, shh. Be quiet. Shh, shh, shh. It's too loud. Shh. Try that. Shh. Make sure your finger is on your lips and you can feel it. Shh. Can you feel it blowing? That's right. Now, we have these two letters together, and we call them a digraph. Remember? Do you remember what a digraph is? It's when two letters come together to make one. So watch. I have my S and I have my H. And when I put them together, they make the sh sound. Good job. All right, so now you know what SH sound, or what sound SH makes, right? The sh sound, like shh, be quiet, or shovel. All right, so let's try something. Do you remember how to code your digraph? If you do, raise your hand. Oh, I do. Oh, I see that you do. Okay, so I want you to take a look at what I'm doing right here. SH, when we code it, we do what? We underline the digraph. So I'm going to underline my SH's. All right? So now I know where my digraph is in my words. Okay, so now I'm going to see if you can guess what our new keyword is for our digraph SH. Okay, I'm going to read you some clues and you see if you can figure it out. Okay? All right. This animal is a very large fish. It has very sharp teeth and a large fin on its back. It lives in the ocean. What do you think it is? Say it out loud if you know. I think you probably got it. If you said shark, you are correct. Shark starts with the sh sound. So whenever you see the sh sound, you can say shark. Shark will help you remember what sound SH makes together. Okay? All right. So now what we want you to do is I want you to grab your worksheet. Quick and easy. And worksheet number 113. Make sure your name is at the top of your paper. So I need to put my name at the top of the paper. I'm going to use a marker because that's all I have right now, I think. Yep. But you need to use a pencil. So I'm going to put my name at the top of the paper. You see how my letters, oops, that one went below the line, but for the most part they're staying on the line. And my tall letters are tall and my small letters are small. See if you can do that. Okay, now on number 1, I want you to write the digraph that makes the sh sound. Make sure that you code it. Okay, so now you're going to find all the sh sounds down here, the digraph SH, and you're going to underline them because that's how we code them. So let's underline them. Okay. Your paper should kind of look like mine. All right. So now we're going to flip our paper over to the back. And I'm going to read some words off to you, and I'm going to see if you can circle the right word. I'm going to do the first one with you, so I'll do number 2 with you, and then you're going to do the rest all by yourself, okay? All right, number 2. Let's look at all these words. We are going to circle the word cash. Cash. So let's see. Sh. Crush. That doesn't sound like cash. Ash. Crash. Crash kind of sounds like cash, but it's got the sound in it, so that's not going to be it. Ash. Cash. That's right. We found it, so you're going to circle it. All right, now you're going to go down to number 3, and you are going to listen to my words, and I want to see if you can circle the right one. Okay, number 3. I want you to circle the word flesh. 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 Your flesh is looking awfully pink today. Flesh. Flesh is your skin. Okay, number 4. I want you to circle the word she. She. She went to the store. She. Okay, number 5. I want you to circle the word wish. Wish. I wish we could come back to school. Wish. I wish I could see all your faces again. Wish. All right, and number 6, you're going to find the word shop. Shop. When you go to the store, you shop. Shop. I like to shop for bubbles. Shop. Okay, once you circle them all, these are your high frequency words down here. You need to be able to read those words to somebody at your house, okay? So when you come back to school, you can read them all for me, and I know that you've been practicing. All right, boys and girls, you have a good afternoon. Have a good rest of your day, and watch for those videos on plants. And next week we'll be watching for butterflies. All right, see you soon. Bye.